Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. Today I have one for you. Guys, have you ever have a family member where just drive you crazy, just come out of the blues and just say some things where really trouble you? Have you ever have that family member? When we want you do, we want you listen to this. Listen.
Check. Yes, my people. Every day here, and I'm so cut up. Yeah, I'm so cut up. Listen. Yes, people, I'm not going to tell you why I cut up me there, so why I cut up, man. People, let me tell you. Denica. Her right name is Denica Abrams. She's here with me from her mother. Die. She die here, so she me and I live the same place. But people will tell her they God treat her brother and not treat her good. No. People, our father baptized today. I don't business if you want, Bex, you know. And if he come at me, I'm gonna tell you everything about him. Yeah. People, him father baptized today. People, Denica do not understand a lot of things about the video thing. And you tell me say the girl go out there at her father. At her father baptism. And the boy only video it for himself and never show the pitney off a video this something and the girl have a channel. If you don't notice him only have the girl in a film video doing video. Look here, you don't need to know more about that culture. Look here, people, the girl is right here. The girl start a channel, he never knows that the girl couldn't get so much views. And from that, he's sacrificing the girl. The girl go up on my farm with me and uncle, you know, go do a video, and him tell me say them are gonna get F. You're not supposed to know what he's telling me with that. Because he don't want them to do video and post by themselves. He want them to come to him. People, check it. No, look in. I'm not joking thing. Check it. And 9-10 years now since the girl don't post a video on her channel. And him have the girl round him. He have the girl round him every day. Yeah, because guess what? He is using the girl and to get video. Because look here, him say never know say the girl don't get so much views. Panny look or something which. Because him say, look here, how him say what time out. Him said the girl never even said not no time out. The first video when him put up and him get so much views. He said he cannot share our video neither. So look here. You know see how my face look? I talk about me from there. Because I can't hold it. I have to speak it out. You know see how me look? Yeah, you know, it bothers me so much. And my sister said to me, love it. But people, when you have to speak out, you have to speak out. Why him and sister? Why you carrying down your sister? People, he only do things for views. I when I see Uncle, and you see Uncle dead and you think say I help your uncle. No way. He's doing that just for views. And I'm telling you no. So when no way. He's doing that just for views. And I'm telling you no. So when you see the little child now coming up now, and create a channel and getting so many views, he don't like that. Me and Uncle, you know, and he never share my channel yet, but him there on my farm all the while. And he never. And he have a woman kick off hell. The woman say, don't go on in farm because you never share video yet. And you're not sharing it. People, he's not a good boy. I'm not going to tell you that. Yeah. And people say, something hurt me, you know, but somebody tell you, see me, but just love something because he's a man, you know, man. People, you imagine just Christ, your sister out there with you. And just, you know, see your sister don't know people, she even get a tripod. When the person they send the phone come give him take away the phone from the child. And have the phone the home child, so the child are going to take the phone and give away. Also, but they go give her a phone and then get it to do them video. He said to me that when the child go up on my farm and do the video, he said to me that the child and the man don't know nothing about YouTube, so they cannot put up the video. She come to me and we post the video for her. him have a big problem with that. If you notice, check the video from Ingo Farm in Uncle Farm. Yeah, check that video and see if on the last video that you see. Until me have to say, look here, the child channel monetized from she do the first video. Yeah, him beg somebody write it up. Me tell him if the person busy and not have any time, we can write it up because we know if we write it up. Him tell the girl say block me out of him phone and make me. And look here people, him want the girl money to go to FEMA account. That is right.
So now, which me know say that did happen because the reason why I say me I do the learners thing, people, because me get my learners. When I reach my driver's license yet. But a lot of people there come and say me forget it. You understand? So when me do the driving video, me know people are come at me at that because first thing that people are going to say, no, me I go buy a vehicle. At that them I go say, you know. So me know him and him definitely me know that come at me. See that right through, remember you know. The day when Mavita the channel bill, you know, you can ask me front of me right here, so I write from my veranda in channel bill because at the same time when I look at it then come off a homeless video. I'm said, look at the Mavita need to start in channel now too, you know. Which we know say Mavita no understand nothing about YouTube channel. Yeah man, so look at this away name. So when me have time people, that is the time when me help him out because that is the time I help him out. And some of the time people can answer them definitely tired because if you do it, enough people could think if you stand up and cook, it's a easy work. If you go back out on the road, go get away, walk up and down again and get away, that is not a easy work neither again people. And then if you come back in, all night again you sit down and edit and tomorrow you know you're tired. Even last night me never sleep people. Me never get no good sleep. Yeah man people, so the night when I come back, that is the night when Mamita channel bill. Mamita billing channel, look at the Billy channel, colors sign it up and everything for the monetizer and sitting. So the same man yesterday now, the reason what causing the problem, him tell Mamita now, so if he give me phone, because him, I go start, I'll get the channel monetized with one lady from overseas. I'm going to send all like the information them, go give one lady overseas for channel. Me turn to her and me tell her straight, say, listen to me. You see your phone? Because when you say no, he come and tell my father now, say, him, I go make a lady sort it out. That's every dollar when mommy to make, him can't see it. So me tell mommy to say, no, because mommy to is a girl we put on your phone careless. So me tell him, say, mommy to hear what? Put code on your phone, because if you go on road and put on your phone, and people go in on your phone, them you can lose the channel. That is the reason why I'm put up now. So he must ask mommy to know, so mommy to, where your phone at? Where your phone at? Because I want to do something for you now. So mommy to tell him now, say, me say if you put code on it, because people will take away channel. Him now have it as a bad now, say, me say mommy to if you lock him out completely from out of the channel. Which me know is a man where he will give a spoonful of salt and you come this morning and he give a spoonful of salt and by the time if you reach down there so he walk and tell the whole place he just give a spoonful of salt. So me I try to put mommy up on the right guide. So me tell mommy to say, yeah, there's certain things where I tell you to do not do it because it will come back about that. Me and my mention say, oh, me not give me family them no things. As me telling the people, that man never like me from none of that man never like me from morning. Me have an uncle at Clarendon, he come here, when the box come, he get him package. See my father, ask him.
Now farmer man, me I go say this to you. So all this time, Momito and JBUD I run up and down, I cook, I do them food, I deliver them food, and I do all sort of things, good things. Where you did there? In other words, is where were you? Where was you? Which part you did there? Yeah, which part you did there? Because the reason why me I ask which part you did there is apparently you are say JBUD I take advantage. I'm sister. So let me ask some. So if JBUD take advantage of his sister and his sister man, why would JBUD carry them with him as part of JBUD team? That's a question I want to ask you. The next question I want to ask you, you know, say nothing about if JBUD pay them or not. So, how comes you not say nothing about that part? Where they get money from? For eat, drink, buy clothes and sleep. You also say she live with you from her mother die. And when her mother die, if she live with you from that long and JBUD start a channel and JBUD have him sister with him, how comes and now you come up and I say JBUD and his sister, JBUD now take care of the sister and the sister don't like JBUD? How come you just come up with all that? Another thing more I ask you, see? You start your channel July 31st, 2022. Am I correct? And you only have 2,722 subscribers. Why you never help Momito to start a YouTube channel all this time? Because you have your channel from 2022, you know. So why you never help Momito to start a channel? Momito start her channel January 10th, 2025. Momito have 6,670 subscribers. Impressive. That is very impressive. That means Momito is well loved. However, JBUD say you want somebody a foreign to help Momito with the channel. JBUD also say the channel monetize but they don't have no pin. Now remember, them have to have a pin before she can get the money off of the channel. Farmer man, me no like how you operate. Me no like how you operate. And you a laugh and you a take this thing for joke. But me can't believe, say, you are carried on your nephew and your nephew sister. You are carry them down for money. Yeah man, money are the problem. Remember, you is the one who said Momito live with you from Momito mother die. How long was that? How comes there wasn't any problem? How comes there wasn't any problem? But now there is problem. It look suspicious. It look very suspicious. You Badmind. You farmer. Man. You Badmind. You have dirty ways. And me I go tell you why. Some want me to live with you. For a very long time, man. And you say, remember, you say, as a matter of fact, listen to what you say.
The person do it so fast. So look here, man. Denika room. See my room, yeah? Denika room. Anything Denika say to people on phone, I can hear. That's why the people me say, Farmer man, you really make the brother treat Denika so. Me say, look here. Me no business with Denika and him brother. Because if him don't know if even treat his sister better. Why? And people I won't even tell you. I remember say, look here, remember say people share tell things. So people where I watch now I go say, I like Farmer man I tell. Because I know me share tell, me only I hear. Because the room them, anything me talk on phone she can't hear, anything she talk on phone me can't hear. Because the room them, anything me talk mommy tells I'm all and can't hear. Yeah, because the room them is just a part. So when I say me not like you know. And
you hear what you just say? My viewers and subscribers, you hear what him just say? Which part them live? Him can hear everything when mommy to say on her phone. Because for her bedroom, you see what I say? So you is a little, let me tell you something. You is not a good boy. So you in your room, you see? And you are listen to what momito I say on her phone. What else you are listening? You're a dirty man. You a dirty man. Your niece live on the same house where you live. And you have the audacity of come out and I say how you hear everything when she say on her phone and she can't hear everything when you say on your phone. What else you are listening? What else you are listening, dirty man? You have Badmind. So now that's mommy to get a phone and have a channel. You want to control the phone. Listen to what you say. You want the phone. You want to be able to have access to the phone so you can post the video them. Listen to where JBUD say. JBUD say you want to have somebody overseas have the lady information. How can you give somebody far away her information to run a YouTube channel? If you can do it for yourself, but she can't do it for herself. And also, let me say this to you. A JBUD, me see her up and down, up and down, up and down. Why you think all of a sudden now that she have the phone, you must be in charge? And also, let me say something to you again. All of us know that Momito don't talk a lot. Which JBUD is the same. They don't talk much. Why you have to come out and say Momito slow? Did we ask you if Momito slow? None of we not ask if Momito slow. Why you have to come out and talk about how the young lady slow? Did we ask you that? You are trying to say you are beat up JBUD, but guess what you are doing? You are disrespect your niece. You're not ready, brother. You're not ready. You're disgusting. Me can't believe say you can listen everything what them a say pan their phone over there. What else you are listening, you little drunk girl? You are dirty man. You don't take things to joke, you know. And that's why I take so long to make video. Cause when I make video, I not play with you now. Nobody is perfect. Nobody perfect. JBUD not perfect. None of uno. None of we not perfect. Me personally not know everything about what JBUD I do off camera or with what happened down there. And if you feel that it troubles you so much, why you couldn't go to JBUD and talk to JBUD about the situation? No, you can't go to JBUD go talk about the situation because you don't like him. So you believe the best thing to do is to throw JBUD under the bus. Because also you are look for your channel run up. Now check this out. Your channel does have 2,000 subscribers. Your nephew is JBUD. We have whole heap a subscriber. 41,000 subscribers. Color Smith with the right one there have 180. So how comes none of them never call out your name? How come none of them never big you up? How comes none of them never talk about you before? But all of a sudden, you just jump out of the bush. With your dirty mind, with your dirty self, with your bad ways. So this is how me do. Me listen to what you say. Me listen to what JBUD say. Me watch your 3 video. Me listen to your 3 video. And me listen to JBUD 1. And let me say this to you. You say JBUD I take advantage of his sister. And me go put it this way. Let's say JBUD I take advantage of his sister. Allegedly. But JBUD never come on social media come say his sister slow. But what you do? What did you do? You come on here come talk about how she's slow. She don't know everything. She don't know something. You say them no have no head piece. You say them dunce. And that you say. You say all of them. How do you expect people to look at you as a good person? You're not a good person, man. You're a bad-minded, dirty-minded person. You're not ready, brother. You're not ready none at all. Let me tell you this. if you and JBUD have a problem and you want to deal with the problem, you could have deal with the problem better than that. But social media, you go bring it on social media and you go bring down the young lady by saying how the young lady slow and not have up yourself. And you say it, I know me. My viewers and subscribers, you know what? Me tired a man like them, yeah. Yeah, man, me tired a man like these kind of man where live on this earth. Uno a family. Uno a family. Yes, and every family will get along. Yes, I know every family. Me a family member with me now talk with. Me a family member with me I tell you the truth, I won't talk to them again. Because of what them do. But here what happen? I forgive them. Yes, man, me forgive them, man. But me and them now hold no conversation. Me and them no, me and them not talk not at all. But you stay your way, me stay my way. One bitten, twice shy, so help me, Lord. It nah go on again. No, we not talk again. And me hope and me pray say nothing no go wrong with them. I want them to live forever. Even though they can't live forever. But me and them now hold a conversation. Yes, we are family like that. That doesn't mean say me I go come on social media, come talk about my family member like that. You come on the media and you just a bash them and you a say how bad the man a treat him sister, but guess what happened? I never hear JBUD say him sister slow. Him sister fi call you uncle. And hear what you are say about her.
Load them, but look here. Load them anytime she live up with female. She live with me. I mean now I go see nobody take a disadvantage or I could have even look here, you know? Because look here. Up here so it's not 100, I can tell you that. It's my family and I can tell you that. She's slow at things. And he's using it as a disadvantage.
She's slow. She don't understand. Enough people, me never did understand YouTube. Until me take my time and learn it. Editing is hard. Making a video is hard. Come up with... I may go teach you something. When mommy to make her first video, me say, what? This girl didn't even open her mouth. This girl never say a word out of her mouth and the video fly off. No, but I want somebody do that and up on TikTok. The brother will not talk in those and make millions. Get millions of views and all in the panels. And all kind of sitting. Momito didn't say a word. So when you say, JBUD say, she didn't even speak. Me say it too. Many other people say it. So what about that? What about that? Let me tell you what you should do. Since as you want for in our phone in our YouTube life, you should have go with her and do the video in. As a matter of fact, let me say this to you. JBUD father, I what to you? No, JBUD father nothing to you. because a JBUD mother and you are relative. Okay, yes. But at the same time, you know him. You could have go. Yeah, man, you could have go. But you not go. Because you want problem. You want problem. But me don't know which part you come from. Great farmer, man. Adventure, J.A. Me never see you before. Me never hear you before. And this is how me I make the video. Me don't make the video next week, but this is how me I make the video because it don't take me too much time to make the video. The way how me want to make the video. So here what me I say to you. Stop bad mind your nephew and your niece. It not going to work. Always think about how comes nobody and you no make a channel. People come in that area just to make a channel with JBUD, with colors, with people coming there. How come me never see you in another video there? You go as far as you say, JBUD, make send no man in a bush. Me not get it. My viewers and subscribers, anyway, until the next video, I will see you again. I will talk to you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for sharing the video. And thank you a million for subscribe to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. And again, if you don't have anything good to say or do, don't say or do anything. I'm out. Peace and love. Bye-bye.